Welcome to Guess the Sound. Test your ears and see if you can guess all sounds. Ready? Let's go! What's this sound? Yes, that's the hoot of an owl in the night. Listen carefully. Is it? It's the playful clicks of a dolphin. Tricky one, is it? That crack you heard was ice splitting apart. Here's a powerful one. It's the roar of a rocket blasting into space. Any guesses for this? That's the famous beeping of Morse code messages. Great job! Comment below your score and subscribe for more challenges every week.